going on, guys? Good morning. Back here again with another video. Oh shoot, hold on. The lighting is bad here. I'm in my apartment building. Just woke up maybe like an hour ago. 7:39 right now. And I'm on my way to the gym. I haven't been putting out videos lately because just haven't been feeling it. Plus I got a lot of other stuff going on in life. I'm trying to organize some things, moving some things around, dropping some old things that no longer work, picking up some new things that are better for me. So there's a lot of rearranging going on in my life right now, but which has kind of killed my energy to record. So I took some time off, whatever. I'm gonna start vlogging because a couple people say they want to see what I do on my like normal, regular day basis. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me.
Lobby.
And here we are, the outside of my apartment building. It's a pretty nice area, pretty chill. Walking to my car right now. And just like that, we are in the car and on the road. A couple of you guys have asked me, when's the next running video coming out? To be honest, I don't really plan the running videos. I just do it when I feel like it's the right time to do it. Since I completed the marathon a couple months ago, back in December.
Come on! Almost there, Baris! Let's go! Let's go! Keep it
going! My running schedule has changed dramatically. When I was prepping for the marathon, I was running like 5-6 days a week. But to be honest, in the past 2 weeks, I didn't run at all. Now, why? I just been feeling burnt out. Not just off of, well, a little bit off of running since after the marathon, but really, I feel burnt out when it comes to like creating content. I feel like for the past 2 years, with like my YouTube and my Instagram and all that, I feel like I've been trying so hard to like pump out videos, trying so hard to, doing different things and all that. I feel like I burnt myself out. So now I'm at a place where like, okay, I'm only gonna do it when I feel it's the right time to do it. And I feel like things work out better that way anyway. That way it's not forced. That way, I'm not just like putting BS out there just to put it out there, So I'm gonna try to vlog for you guys because a couple of you guys said you'd like to see what I do throughout the day, because I post like little clips of what I do on Instagram. But a couple of you guys said you want to actually see some videos and hear me talk and all that. So here we are, all right? I'm on my way to the gym right now, 7:50 in the morning. I'm probably not even gonna work out, man. It's probably just gonna be cardio. I worked out pretty hard yesterday. Today is a good day. You know why it's a good day? I woke up, I'm feeling happy. I have no negativity in my life. I'm able to do what I wanna do, how I wanna do it, when I wanna do it. You know what I'm saying? Life is good. Usually what I do, I wake up, I do some type of physical activity, whether it's running, whether it's going to the gym, whatever. I'll do some type of physical activity. Then after that, I'll either go to the beach or I'll go to the park. Well, not like a regular park, but like the forest. Why do I do one of those two? For me, I feel like being out in nature is very calming. It's very relaxing. I'm able to meditate a whole lot better. Now, I can meditate anywhere, when I'm in the car, when I'm at home, when I'm at the gym, whatever. But I like specifically being out in nature and just vibing out there and then just getting my thoughts. I like doing it out there because I feel like it changes everything. I don't know about you, but if you spend most of your time indoors, if you go outdoors, it's like everything is totally different. You're gonna see like it changes everything. Your energy is gonna be different. In my honest opinion, you're a lot more depressed if all you do is stay indoors the majority of your time. When you go outside, you're breathing fresh air, you're feeling the sunlight, you're engaging with life, plants and animals or other people. It's just a lot more going on outside in a positive way, in a healthy way, So when I meditate, I like to do that. And I like to do it either deep in the forest or out at the beach, by the water. So usually I'll do that after the gym. Today, I'm thinking I'm going to the beach. Only because I went to the forest like the past 2 days. So I like to take some time off from each of them. You know, one day the forest, one day the beach, or a couple days the forest, a couple days the beach. I have to admit, one thing about vlogging that I don't like, sometimes I feel like my mind goes blank when I turn the camera on and then I don't know what to say. Or if I already had something to say, it's like as soon as the camera comes on, it's like, damn, I forget it. And I have to like, damn, what did I say? And I have to like freestyle it or something. That's one thing I don't like about vlogging. And I'm assuming it's because I'm still new to vlogging. So I guess as I get more comfortable, things will flow a lot easier. But right now, I'm not gonna lie, I just recorded like 20 clips, bro, and I had to like restart because I didn't like the way it came out. I didn't like the way what I said or whatever. But how's your day today? You know, what are you guys doing? You know, what's on your agenda? So guys, just got to the gym parking lot. Usually, as you can see, I'll park over here and then I'll get my shoes out, prepare myself, smoke my little joint, get my mind right, and then I'll head in there and I'll get a good workout in. I'm not gonna bring the GoPro into the gym because I don't want to hold this thing and try to post it up and all that. I don't want to do all that. I might get a couple clips on my phone, but I'm not gonna actually record in there. So I'm gonna smoke this joint and put my shoes on, and I'm over here jamming some Kevin Gates. He helps me get my mind right. Then I'm gonna get this good ass workout in, and I'm gonna get back to you guys. All right, see you guys in a little bit. All right guys, change of plan. I know I said I was going to the gym right now, but I thought about it and I was like, man, I want to take off today, but I really hate not doing some type of thing that gets me sweating. I don't know, maybe I'm addicted to being physical, but sometimes that's a bad thing. So anyway, I said, fuck it. I'm just going straight to the beach. I actually just had a conversation with one of my cousins, Jengis. He's like my closest cousin. And it was a really good, empowering conversation. And now, I'm headed to the beach. I'm gonna go soak up some sun real quick. Maybe I'll get in the water, who knows? You know, just go out there and connect. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right guys, I made it out. Yes, look at that. It's a beautiful day today. I don't know if you can hear it, you probably can, but there's like it's a Coast Guard airport over there and the freaking plane is on. So it's kind of killing the relaxing vibe out here, those big ass engines, but it's still pretty nice out here. I'm not gonna tell you what beach this is because this is my low-key spot and not too many people come out here really, unless those that are in the area. And honestly, I don't even know the name. I just know it's by the Coast Guard base. That's the only hint I'm gonna give you, the Coast Guard base. But it's a nice, cool little beach. Like I said, I come out here to meditate, to think, connect with nature, connect with God. Although I can connect with God anywhere, I tell you, I like doing it out here. It makes you feel good. The sunlight on my body, the beautiful sounds of the waves. Who wouldn't want to be out here, to be honest? Exactly. See more people. All right, I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. spots. Well, the same spot that I was just at, this is another part of it. And this is another reason why it's one of my favorite spots. Look at it. It's like, that's the ocean, right? But when the big waves come in, they get like blocked by these rocks right here. So then a little bit of the water comes through, which then creates a little pool here that is literally right there. Look, you can walk from the sand into this little pool right here, right? And you don't have to be bothered by the waves. Damn, look at all the crabs. Don't worry, I'm not messing with you guys. But this is why it's my favorite little spot. And then not only that, there's like fishing here and stuff, so you can swim in here with fish. You're not bothered by waves. It's a beautiful sunny place. Look at the beach. And occasionally, every now and then, if you come here, you might see a seal. They literally come out and hang out right there. I've seen two maybe since I've been here. But this is one of my other spots out here. It's a beautiful spot, baby. You see what I'm saying? I come out here and I can really get to connect with nature, with God, with myself. And when I go back into the world, it's like I'm a whole new person, you know, re-energized, revitalized, and ready to share my energy with everybody. I highly suggest you guys make going out in nature a part of your daily routine. Now, you don't have to come out here into the beach or go deep into the forest like I do. At least you don't have to do that every day. You can easily just go outside in front of your house or in your backyard and just soak up the sun. Stand on some grass, right? Lay down, let your skin, get some skin to skin contact with the grass, all right? Go and just hang out in between your trees or whatever. It doesn't have to be this dramatic. Although, if you can do something like this, I highly suggest doing something like this. But get into nature in whatever way that you can, daily. I highly suggest it. Your life will change for the better. All right, now I'm about to leave. See you guys at the next spot, which is gonna be home.
Where attention goes, energy flows. Being careful where you place your intentions. Manifestation, my single retention. Bring anything that I want into fruition. Elevated and ranking, my dick is not friendly.
whole fucking week. We can do whatever we want. Here, come on, try some. You know it's good for your depression, right? Okay, we're totally gonna rage tonight.
What's going on, guys? Back here again. What was I doing just now? I was playing video games and I was just chilling at the house.
Yeah.
Now it's freaking 7 p.m. Me and my girlfriend Teal, for those who don't know, about to just get some quick dinner and call it a day, bro. So that was basically my average day today. I didn't work today, so we didn't get that on camera. And I didn't do anything extra. So that's the basic day. That's a basic day for me, as you've seen. And we're just gonna get some food, head back to the house, probably watch some TV, probably play a little bit more games. Then I'm a KO. But yeah, I'm gonna try to have another video for you guys, part 2, maybe another day where I got a lot more exciting things going on, and give you guys something to see. All right, guys, real quick, I just want to show you what I got to eat. Boom! Quick, easy, healthy fast food meal, all right, from Panda. We got the fried rice right here. Then I got 2 servings of the grilled teriyaki chicken. All right, there you go, easy. You see, protein, high protein, simple carbs. Don't have to ruin your diet over it, all right? That's my night. Hope you guys have a good night. I hope you got something out of this video. I hope you can learn, get inspired, get motivated. I know I'm looking fuzzy today, but it's an off day, rest day. Baby's doing her thing too. And we'll see you guys next time. See ya.